Let's start. V is for violin. V. Well done. V is for village. Nice. Well done. Nice. V is for vase. Nice. Great. Wow. V is for vegetables and for van. V. Smart. Bye-bye. V. Let's start. W is for wolf. W.
Smart.
W is for wheel.
Smart.
Well done. Good one. W is for watch. Well done. Great. Well done. W is for window and for whale. W. Well done. Bye-bye. W. Let's start. X is for Xiphias. X.
Great.
X is for Xmas. Nice. Wow. Well done. X is for X-ray. Good job. Good one. Wow. X is for Xebec and for xylophone. X. Well done. Bye-bye. X. Let's start. Y is for yak.
Wow.
Y is for yo-yo.
Smart.
Great. Good job. Y is for yogurt. Nice. Wow. Y is for yacht and for yellow.
Good job.
Bye-bye. Let's start. Z is for zebra. Z is for zero. Good one.
Smart.
Great. Z is for zip. Nice. Good one. Good job. Z is for zoo and for zigzag. Good one. Bye-bye.
Z, 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 Z.